If they pursue the model career, they can be very successful and always appear on famous newspaper covers. Number 6. Actor. These funny expressions will prove that German Shepherd can become an actor. This actor or actress promises to bring the audience entertaining footage. They can even feature in action movies where fight scenes are required. Those are the professions I think German Shepherds would do very well. Am I missing any profession that they are best at? Let us know by commenting down below. Like and subscribe to the channel if you are new to the channel.